केंद्रीय अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामनान सादर केल्ल्या केंद्रीय अर्थसंकल्पात सामान्य मनशाक कांयच ना. सामान्य मनशाक कसल्याच तरेची थाकाय ना म्हण विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी दिगंबर कामत उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
I have with me also the budget copy of the speech 2022-23 by Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister for Finance. After going through the budget, after listening to the budget, at least I listened for some time thinking that there will be something. This budget, there is nothing for common citizen, the middle and the lower salaried class, no change absolutely in the tax structure. Everybody is expecting that there will be some changes in the tax structure. Common man already is reeling under price rise, inflation, higher excise and customs duties which are keeping the price of LPG, petrol and diesel at higher rates. Nothing in the budget to address inflation and provide relief to the common man. Nothing for the MSME and self-entrepreneurs. See, this sector has passed through a very, very bad condition because of pandemic, because of COVID, and because of the failure of the government to manage this COVID pandemic properly. It is worst. These sectors have suffered, they have been crying, they have been pleading with the government to give them some relief, to waive certain charges. Till today, neither the Goa government nor the central government has waived anything for these industries. Last budget, when Goa government was celebrating Diamond Jubilee of its state's liberation, there was an announcement made that 300 crores have been sanctioned by the center for the development grants to mark the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the state of Goa. Now, subsequently, we discussed in the assembly, we asked the assembly when you have received the money. Nobody was able to say anything. But Mr. Vijay Sardesai had obtained an RTI reply where it was revealed in June 2021, where it was revealed that the money allotted was never received. Now, even before this money was received from the center, the Goa government, when the announcement was made, they spent lakhs of rupees for making publicity, welcoming the decision as if money has come. They said that we will be spending for this, we will be sending for that. They made some estimate, they some projects to be undertaken. And today we are surprised that implementation of the budget announcement 2021-22 does not show this chapter. See, every government, while presenting the budget, also presents an action taken report on the decisions or the allotments done last year. So accordingly, this government should have shown I had started this practice in the state of Goa when I was the finance minister and the chief minister. First time I placed before the table of the house an action taken report. Whatever I had announced in the budget, what is the condition? Whether implemented, non-implemented, if not implemented, reasons for not implementing. There could be some genuine reasons for not implementing. But everything was placed before the house so that everybody knows whether it has been implemented or not.